It starts with F. U-C-K.
You're supposed to know this. This is our subject.
Come on. Fuck.
You can do it daily if it's a hobby for you.
What's up?
Welcome to the most entertaining show on YouTube, Street Flicks. And this is your host, Ovin. Today I'm gonna play a funny game. It's known as the Dirty Mind Challenge. Are you in for it? Then come on, follow me. Let's see some reactions of people. Okay guys, so here we have 5 beautiful ladies. The name of the game is Dirty Mind Challenge. So the first word that you have to guess is, it starts with F.
All that Facebook thing you are trying to ask me, no?
Okay.
I've seen the joke. It's a fork or something. Yeah.
Can I answer?
No, let me just finish the question. It starts with F and then it ends with U-C-K.
You know what it is? It's obviously fuck, right? Like, I don't. It's obviously.
What do you think?
I can't think of any other word. Fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Oh, yeah, but it's not the word.
Obviously. It's fuck. F-U-C-K.
But it's not.
I don't know.
Fuck.
Yeah, come on.
Of course, it's fuck.
No.
Fuck. Come on.
Like what kind of word it is? Related to what? No idea.
No, come on, you
It's a
can.
brand name because there's a brand name, no? Oh,
It starts with F and ends with U-C-K.
Frook. Fidge.
No, you're just making the words out of your mind or what? Sorry.
Fuck. Yeah.
But it's actually not fuck. It's something else.
And then he might come up with flick. I am stuck with that nothing else is coming to my mind.
If you remove the A from the fast track, then it can be fast track.
That's really funny, but that's not the thing. There's nothing like that.
Fluctuate. No. Can't. No.
F. You're supposed to know this. This is our subject.
You were master at. Come on.
No, okay, fine. Frick.
U-C-K.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're giving up just like that.
No, you said one word. I gave you one word. No, flick is the only thing that
You're
was
stuck on
wrong.
flick.
Yeah.
Something truck.
Truck. A fat truck.
Fun truck. I don't know.
And it's a vehicle.
Fire truck.
Oh yes, it is fire truck. It's fire truck. She nailed it. Okay. It's an emergency service, I can see.
Fire truck.
Yes. Yes. Fire truck.
Fire extinguisher and fire truck.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Fire truck.
Oh my God. He just got it.
Fire truck. Fire truck. She's so smart. Yeah.
So you give up
Yeah, I give up.
and you wanna know what the word is?
Yeah, obviously.
It's fire truck.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
That's the word.
Really bad at it. Sorry.
Okay. Fire truck.
Okay. I give the right answer for. But it's
Fire truck.
Oh shit.
So the second question what we have for you is, first you lick it.
Ice cream.
Wait, let me finish the question first. Come on. First you have to lick it, then you have to suck it, and then you have to put it in a hole. What can it be?
We lick an ice cream, we suck an ice cream, and we put it into your mouth.
cucumber.
Where is cucumber come from?
Is that edible? Yeah, of course it has to be.
No, that is not edible.
What? It's too much tricky. I'm thinking.
Come on.
Flute.
You do not eat it, you suck it.
Anything you want.
Thermometer.
No, that's not
We don't
thermometer.
suck a thermometer.
Where do you put the thermometer in? Lick, then suck it, and then put it in a hole. What can it be?
I don't know why I'm thinking of balloons right now.
Yeah, come on, you don't suck balloons. Come.
No, you know when they get like puduk and then that little thing comes and you prack on the head. Actually, ice cream?
The wrong thing.
Let me
The
guess.
wrong thing came into my mind. I know.
It is a dirty mind challenge actually.
Yeah, this is a dirty mind challenge.
Actually.
No, sorry. No, you don't lick it.
I'm getting lollipop only. You lick it, you suck it, you put it in a hole.
unless you're talking about something else.
I don't want to go at the non-veg thing. Okay.
Wait, I've heard it before. Lollipop.
No, it's not
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Toothpaste.
Is it something that we do daily?
You can do it daily if it's a hobby for you.
Hobby?
Lollipop, what hole do you mean?
The mouth hole.
और क्या हो रहा है?
No, you are laughing too much. You might know something.
I was just laughing at their answers.
Then you put it into a hole.
Coke.
How?
I know this. I have done this before. I cannot remember.
Yes, come on.
I mean,
You have done it. You have done it.
Straw.
thread. Needle and thread. Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah. And she recalled it out of her memory. It's a needle.
What's it called? Thread.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's
Thread. It's a sewing thread.
it's thread in a needle with the help of my hint. Thread in a needle.
Got it.
You have to suck it to make it pointed, then you put in the hole.
Right.
Hope you liked this episode. So if you want to say anything, please drop your comments down in the comment box below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye, take care.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Never miss to say what's up. Are you a pure saint or a bona fide freak? The dirt is all in your mind, so just clean up your mind and have some fun. If you like the guys in beard, click on the box on your left, and to kiss your girl in public, click on the box on your right. And keep streaming. What's up?